Today on this James the Bike Guy, we're taking a look at the 2019 Trek Domane AL2. The Trek Domane is Trek's endurance level road bike, so this bike is designed for nice long rides, keeping you in a more upright and comfortable position by having a little bit taller head tube on the bike, and then of course a little bit shorter reach. So this puts you in an upright position that allows you to go for long rides throughout the day. It's also going to allow for a little extended tire clearance, so that way you stay a little more comfortable. Now, the AL series is their entry level into the Trek Domane. So the AL2 is describing that this is the least expensive frame set. It's an alloy frame set with Trek's 100 series alpha aluminum. And the 2 indicates that this bike is going to be set up with Shimano Claris. Shimano Claris is a 8-speed drivetrain from Shimano. It's a workhorse group set, not the lightest or the smoothest, but it's going to be extremely durable and get the job done. Now, when we take a look at this bike, one of the neat features about it is even though it's an entry-level aluminum frame, you'll notice it's got a carbon fiber OCLV fork. So this is going to be a nice high-quality carbon fork. And then the aluminum tubing on this bike is still shaped. So even though this is a more basic alloy frame, you'll notice you get true shaping to this frame, which is going to allow for a really great ride. Now the bike is going to be set up with Shimano's front crank here. This is the RS 200 crankset, and this runs a 50-34 chainring combo. So that's a compact style chainring, meaning it's going to be great at pretty much all conditions. And then the bike is going to be set up with a 68mm threaded bottom bracket shell, and the bottom bracket is a square taper bottom bracket. Now it's going to be running Shimano's Claris front derailleur, which is a great 2x derailleur setup. And then on the back, it's going to be running Shimano's Claris rear derailleur with an HG31 Shimano cassette. This is an 1132 range, so really quite a wide range to get you up and down just about anything. For the wheel set, this is going to be set up with Bontrager's own TLR wheels and Bontrager's approved hubs. So this is a tubeless ready wheel. However, the tires that come with it are going to be Bontrager's R1 tire, which is non-tubeless, but you can actually buy tubeless tires and set these right up. Now the tires that come stock on it are 700 by 28C tires, and the R1s have hard case light tread protection, so this is going to be a durable tire. And the stoppers on this bike are going to be some alloy dual pivot brakes. So overall, spec is pretty nice. It is coming, of course, with some Well-Go pedals. And then for the cockpit, you've got the Bontrager Arvada Comp with an alloy 2-bolt seat post. And then up front, you're going to have Bontrager's Blender stem. And then, of course, a Bontrager Comp handlebar. So a great setup on this bike. Now let's go ahead and find out what this bike weighs. So the Trek Domane AL2 in a size 54 weighs in at 21.5 pounds. Thanks for watching this video on the Trek Domane AL2. It's a great entry-level road bike from Trek, nice endurance geometry, which is going to put you in a position of great comfort and allow you to get into the sport. Now go ahead and let me know down in the comments below what you think about this bike. And then of course, click the like button if you enjoyed the video. And as always, hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this into the future.